man sa kabila para sa Alaska Milford.
Well, malaking bagay na si Bong Hawkins is able to suit up here for Alaska. Kaya nang dinigit natin kanina in our pre-game intro, ito si Bong Hawkins hindi nakapagaro. The last time in Alaska played here, ito pinag-Alaska at natalo ang Alaska by 25 points. Sorely missing the services of Bong Hawkins. Hawkins, of course, gives the perimeter offense and, of course, the rebounding strength in the game.
Nababanggit mo pa lamang yung perimeter offense, kagad nakakuha ng puntos si Bong Hawkins. Ang isa pang laging inaasahan na start member, starting unit ng Gordons naman, itong si Robert Jaworski Jr. na may hawak ng bola ngayon. Sabi nila, ito daw ang anting-anting ni Sonny Jaworski. Hindi pa malusutan si Ponsalan. Subalit tatawagan ng foul si Brian Ponsalan at si Dudut Jaworski will go to the free throw line.
Nice curl move. Dodit Jaworski driving down the baseline. Well, nakita siguro ni Dodit Jaworski kasi Brian Ponsalan will not have the lateral mobility to stop his drive down the baseline. Kanya inutakan na lang ni Dodit Jaworski in his drive to the basket. First point here for Gordons, courtesy of Dodot. At
Yan ang
sinawa ng mga fans.
Yan ang average ni Dodot, 1 point per game. At nalampasan na niya. Maaga pa tayo dito sa larong ito. Alam niyo po mga kaibigan, in 1996, ang Alaska went 3-2 sa All-Filipino at 9-6 throughout the season. Of course, itong dalawang koponan nito ang naglaban. Uy, may yung napakalapit na tira ni Jojo Lastimosa.
Beautiful curl move by Lastimosa. Hindi lang niya naipasok. Pero bukang-buka yung depensa ng Gordons in that attempt of Jojo Lastimosa attacking the weak side, coming from the strong side.
Clutch rematch ito, kinito, noong 1996 Governors Cup Finals kung saan nagwagi ang Alaska 4-1.
That's right, rematch nga ito ng finalist of the third conference. And kaya na sinabi natin kanina, itong Alaska actually started the third conference last season in a very poor note. Steal by Lastimosa.
Dalawang turnover na yan laban sa Gordon's Gin. This early in the game, tuloy-tuloy si Pops Mourinho upang maibigay ang kalamangan sa Alaska Milk.
Right idea for Alaska. No? Alam nila na in depensa ng Gordon, a little suspect underneath despite the presence of Marlo Aquino. And in fact, this is one area where Coach Robert Jaworski is missing the services of File. Depensa sa ilalim, especially when he used to play the Twin Towers.
2 seconds of shot clock ng Gordon. Tumira sa rin sa labas. Patay!
Tuwa-tuwa si Pino Horencio at itong mga Barangay Ginebra fans similarly tuwa-tuwa. Shot clock almost out on Gordon's Gym na ipasok sa nila yung tira.
Bago sa tirang yun, si Pino Horencio was only shooting 2 out of 13 from the 3-point range for only 15.4%.
Partner, binanggit natin that Jaworski missing the services of EJ File, especially in the rebounding strength of Gordon. Pero compensating naman ito si Noli Locsin. He compensates with his outstanding offense. And in fact, mukha yata maganda ang combination ni Locsin at saka ni Aquino. About earlier, much better offensive potential from Aquino and Locsin together than Aquino and File together.
Bong Hawkins nakakuha na naman ng puntos. Well, napapag-usapan yung kombinasyon ni Aquino at Locsin. Kinitos, they're averaging almost 46 points for the team. At halos kalahati yan itong score. Arencio with another triple V from the other side of the floor this time.
Partner, ito si Arencio, a street shooter. Dating back to his glory days at the University of Santo Tomas. When he feels it, when he feels the flow, he's gonna go with it.
Oh, yes. Ang pinakamagandang scoring average ni Pino Horencio was back in was with Ginebra, 18.6 points noong panahon ng early 90s.
Partner, slight adjustment here in the offense of Coach Sakin. Kung nakikita natin si Johnny Barrientos, hindi na siya nagdadala ng bola. No? They're relying on Bong Hawkins or some other person because they feel that it is Johnny Barrientos is much more needed in trying to score the point. And if they can get somebody else to bring down the ball, it saves, it preserves his energy.
Naagawan si Ponsalan at hindi na magkarinigan dito Pinito sa lakas ng hiyawan ng mga tao dito sa loob ng Cuneta Astrodome.
Ito nga, pang-apat na laro lang ito ng Gordon. Nagkakagulo na dito sa Cuneta.
Alam mo, Kinito, yung pwesto ni Brian Ponsalan, yun ang dating pwesto ni Jeffrey Cariaso. At saka yun ang hindi ka nga humahalilit. Marami nang nilagay si Coach Tim Conyo sa pwestong yan. But obviously, sila ay nangungulila ng tao dyan.
Actually, it's a matter of adjustment. one adjustment that he has made is to slide Jojo Lastimosa, now playing the off-guard position. Something that he can play, a position that he's very comfortable at playing. Kumisa kasi si Lastimosa has been moved over to the small forward position.
Maganda setup job kay Vince Season pero mintis ang tira. Punsalan drops it off. Lastimosa gets the foul, gets the basket. At ang ating puntalan ay maitatabla ni Jojo Lastimosa. May kasama pang foul and a possible 3-point play para kay Jolas. Vince Season picking up his first foul.
Partner, what made that play possible was Brian Punsalan's unselfish play. He had an open drive to the lane. Yun nga lang, he decided to pass off to his teammate with a higher percentage shot. Good decision on the part of Brian Punsalan. And that comes with maturity. And talking about maturity, partner, Bal David and Marlo Aquino, now sophomores in this league, showing tremendous maturity. They can only get better. And marami ka nagsasabi, this could be the year of Gordon's Gin.
Oo. Well, tandaan natin yan. Last year, ang Gordon's Gin po went 12-12 in this All-Filipino Cup. Good only for 4th place. They went also 4th in the Commissioner's Cup pero number 2 na sila nung Governor's Cup. So pataas na pataas ang pwesto nito. Samantala yan po si Bal David, nakikita natin. Siya ay nakaupo pa. He comes off the bench and he's been averaging 19 points in his last 2 games.
Actually, last year, Ginebra San Miguel almost made it to the finals of both the first and second conferences. Natalo nila sila sa playoffs. No? So they could have easily gone to 3 finals last year. And,
partner, yung magandang mistisa nakita natin kanina, yung si Heather. Yun ang asawa ni Vince Season.
Oo. Ang sinisisa yun, puro yun. An American who's here, I understand, on a 2-week visit. She's the girlfriend.
Ay, di ba asawa yan?
Kakasal pa yata sila. Balita ko meron ng date, January 3, 1998.
Balita
Balita
ko.
ko.
Asawa ko. Pero tingnan natin, malalaman din natin yan. Samantala, alahoy ang opensa ng Gordon's Gin at umatake ang Alaska Milk. Bagyang nasapal ni Aquino at lalabas ang bola. Pupunta ang bola sa panig ng Gordon's Gin at may technical foul na itatawag si referee Garferio laban kay Bong Hawkins nila. Tingnan natin, yes, Bong Hawkins. Medyo humahanap ng foul si Bong Hawkins kanina doon sa bangga. At si Coach Tim Con, nirereklamo din yung kaso ni Bong Hawkins.
Si Vince Season at the stripe. Well, kung ito ang balita, wala pa kasawa si Vince Season. That's good news for many of his teammates.
Oo.
May pag-asa pa sila lahat.
Ayan na naman. Yan po si Heather.
Ayan, si Heather.
At ang sabi sa amin ng aming Flor D na si Robert Santos, asawa talaga ni Vince.
Asawa ba?
Oo. Alam mo, nabanggit din sa akin ni Vincent, even before he came into the league. Pero hindi yata, hindi ka nga na-formalize. But nonetheless, she's here and she's cheering on the Gordon's Gin scores. Pinitad. Magandang pagsimula na naman ng Gordon, samantala may traveling violation laban kay Dudut Jaworski. Partner, this early, tatlong triple V na ang Gordon's Gin. They're averaging as a team 21% from that area. Pero ngayon mukhang naghasa sila sa labas.
Alam mo, when you have a big man like the skyscraper Marlo Aquino to block down offensive rebound, mataas ang kumpiyansa ng mga perimeter gunners nyo.
3 seconds of shot clock. Lean-in jumper, wala. Season, bumaksak. Pero hawak pa rin niya. Abanteng pasa, nakita do Renzo laban kay Johnny Abarientos. Bounces it off. At may foul. O mananatili ang bola. Tap out? No, may foul nga yung tatawag. Referee Johnny Abarientos ang tatawagan ng kanyang unang personal foul. 2-point ball game. Kapag ng timeout, ang 5:42 remaining ito sa ating unang yugto. Abante po ang Gordon's Gin ng 2 puntos. At bola pa ng mga nakaputi, Gordon's Gin. Sa kasalukuyan, they maintain their starting unit. Wala pa rin palitan dito ng tao. 3-point shot, Jaworski makes it. Outlet. Nauna si Punsalan, laban si Jaworski. One fake, turn around. Yes, good move. Malaki Brian Punsalan.
Very slow to get back down on defense on Gordon's Gin.
Si Brian Punsalan, nakuha yan ng Alaska Milk mula sa Pure Foods. Yun ang vaccine. Kinito, anong may expect mo dito sa laban ito? Obviously, alam na alam itong dalawang kapatid ng style nila. Pero anong bago na pwedeng ma-expect ng mga tao dito?
Well, unang-una, itong Gordon's Gym, you can expect them to run and gun because yan ang estilo nila. They're averaging 94 points in offense. No? That's tied with Moby Line for the league's highest output. No? And the reason why they've been able to score and in a league where parang bumababa na kayo
Yes.
score, no? It's because familiarity, no? Sa isa-isa. Yung Moby Line naman, the reason why they're able to score so much is because they just are so deep and so talented at practically every position.
Good pick and roll play between Hizon at si Marlo Aquino. Aquino on the firing end. At tabla po muli tayo ng 14-all. Ikatlong deadlock natin. 4:25 ang nanatapin sa ating first quarter. Abarientos na libre bahagya, and he takes advantage of the situation. Abarientos now with 4 points.
Well, definitely the veterans have to show the way here for Alaska. No? And when you talk of the veterans for Alaska, you talk about Barrientos, Las Timosa, at saka si Beth Hawkins. No? They are the triumvirate. At dahil nang binigit natin kanina, itong triumvirate na ito was hardly, their presence hardly felt. Well, Hawkins na, wala nga ito. No? Saka si Barrientos and Las Timosa hardly really showed up with big numbers the last time out.
Roger Lastimosa picking up a foul on that scramble para sa leather. Unang foul ni Jolas. And we've got a capacity crowd dito sa loob ng Cuneta Astro. Ito yung foul na yun. Nabitawan ni Lastimosa yung bola. He dove for the ball. Pero mukhang naunahan ni Vincision siya din sa pwesto.
Partner hunger factor. No? I think clearly on the side of Gordon's Gym. No? Alam natin itong Gordon's Gym. Matagal-tagal natin hindi nakakatikim ng championship ito. No?
Ako, napakatagal.
And Alaska, of course, has tasted fourth straight championship. Here's another easy transition basket out of good defense. Well, kanina tinanong mo sa akin, no, what do you expect from these two teams? From Gordon's Gym, I think you can expect run and gun, the exciting brand of basketball that Lalasan General franchise is known for, particularly in transition. Ang Alaska naman, you can expect a lot of good defense. Alam mo, smart move by Dodot Jaworski that time. He faked the three-point shot pero meron siya drop pass sa ilalim.
At si Noli Locsin ang kumuha ng puntos. Noli Locsin now scoring his first 2 points. Samantala sa labas si Coach Trino gets another jumper at abante po ang Alaska Milk ng 4 under 3 minutes to play dito sa first quarter.
Touch by Coach Trino. Actually, he set the screen kanina but good alert move. He picked up the loose ball.
Hizon laban kay Lastimosa. Jump shot. Wala. Rebound. Natapik yung Bong Hawkins. Pasak. Punta sa ulo ni Johnny A. Okay lang yun. Hindi gawin pang asintahan niya. Samantala may foul sa paglipad ni Coach Trino Jaworski with a
That's
foul.
a hard foul. That's too hard a foul on the part of Coach Trino. Down on the floor.
Tignan mo to.
Oh, that's almost a clothesline. That's almost a clothesline by Dodot. That's a hard foul.
May tama po ang Gordon's Gym.
Of the PBA. Vila, change the game.
Tuloy po kami nagbabalik sa kaneta. Johnny Jaworski in one of his regular huddles pinito. Siya lang ang siguro kaisang coach na kapag may timeout ay nakaupo sa kanyang bangko.
So yeah, most other coaches are either squatting or standing up. Pero ito si Robert J.
Ibahin mo siya.
Oh, he set the trend. Ika nga. No?
He's one of a kind. Samantala si Coach Trino nadagdagan na po ang abante ng Alaska Milk. They're top by 5. Pinito may binabanggit ko sa opensa na ipinapakita ng Alaska sa kasalukuyan.
Well, pinigita natin kanina, no? Si Bong Hawkins is the one who's bringing down the ball because hindi naman masyadong makakapagbigay ng defensive pressure ang kanyang gumagawa siya sa kanya. No? Unlike si Johnny Barrientos, so if he brings down the ball, he usually puts tremendous defensive pressure on him. And it extends and it takes away from his offense.
Kaya pagdating sa dulo, medyo maganda.
Oo. And I think Johnny Barrientos, they wanted to fight things, they wanted to score, and they wanted to steal the ball. Ito na si Johnny.
Another turnover. Oh, ang ganda ng bounce pass. At may foul si Noli Locsin. But again, Alaska coming down quickly sa kanilang opensa. Yung depensa naman ng Gordons, ika nga nawawala pinito at this stage.
Well, this is a classic case of offense versus defense. No? Ang depensa ng Alaska, and then transforming good defense into opportunities to score easy basket from the other end. Ang Gordons naman, medyo nawawala sila sa depensa, and of course, nabubulabog din ang offense nila because Alaska is showing the kind of defense that, Alaska's been known for all these years. Remember itong Alaska, 8 straight final
Oh, yes.
appearances,
Oh.
4 straight championships. Kanya ang record nila, 1-2. Well, siguro sabi ni Coach Tito, okay lang sa amin. Known to be a slow starter. Third conference na, nag-1-4 sila, no?
Yes.
Hindi, 1-3 pala. In the third conference, yet nanalo pa sila ng championship in the end.
Alam mo naman si Coach Tim Con, hindi yan kagad nabubulabog eh. They're still, ikang right in there, hindi pa naman sila nangungulela. Although yung kanilang huling pagkatalo laban sa Pure Foods at last Friday, scoring only 63 points was their lowest output ever since nagpasimula sila sa liga ng PBA. Samantala, mintis sa ilalim ng tira ni Noli Locsin. Ang bola napunta kay Bong Hawkins. Parang nagkaroon ng tulakan doon sa ilalim at nagsuturoan si Locsin at saka si Merwin
Castelo, yes.
Uy, nagkabanggaan pa
Oh,
ulit.
yes. Alam mo, partner, si Castelo pa ang tinawagan. You know, that's a late call because kanina pa, ito si Castelo and Locsin already were exchanging, not only working, but also some contact. The referee should have seen it already. It could have prevented that kind of altercation.
Ito yung isolation camera natin kinito. Makikita natin, tingnan natin kung sino mag-ano. Hop! Oh, yun, may konting
There was a
konting
tripping.
paglabas ng paa ni Merwin Castelo. Nakita yan. Subalit yung hindi nakita, yung unang nangyayari dun sa ilalim. Ano,
Actually, nakita ng referee. Wala lang tao.
Hindi lang ginawa.
Yeah, it was a let-go situation. Pero I think that's where discretion on the part of referees has to come in. Because potentially exposed situation na kung hindi natatawagan kind of contact like that.
Medyo namimilit na ng tira. Ginoli Locsin sa ilalim. Mintis ang kanyang pagsukot. 8-point lead para sa Alaska Milk. Pinito at ang Gordons, very uncharacteristic na walang putos na nangyayari
Well,
ngayon.
partner, struggling in offense. No? Jojo Lastimosa, hard contact inside. Walang tawag.
Bison, binigay kay Locsin. Laban kay Coach Williams. Nabitawan ni Noli Locsin. Another turnover. Kabit-kabit yung mga turnover na yan. Hawkins sa labas. Mintis off the back island. Tapik ni Merwin Castelo. Napupunta ang bola sa Gordon's Gin. 53 seconds remaining sa ating unang yugto.
Partner, here's a point that we want to stress. No? Marlo Aquino, who's averaging over 20 points for Gordon's Gin, has only had 1 field goal attempt. At yung attempt niya, mga kaibigan, nanggaling pa sa labas.
Oo.
So he has not been able to get any good vision to try to score from inside. Bakit? Yan.
Triple team, ano?
Yan ang dahilan. Every time he gets the ball in scoring position, he's double team. Kanya nagkakagulo ngayon ng Gordons because you know that Marlo Aquino is the first option on offense.
Turnover na naman ang nangyari doon. Abariento, sinamantala na naman. At 10 na po ang abante ng Alaska Milk. 26-16. 20 seconds remaining. At ikang Gordon's falling apart in the seams here, Kinito.
Yes. Well, a big switch on the part of Coach Tim Cone because tinanggal nga niya si Brian Tisulan. There's a weak link in defense and it put in Merwin Castelo in his place.
Triple B number 3 para kay Pido Lorenzo Lastimosa sasagot. Muntik nang pumasok. Subalit dyan nagwawakas ang ating unang yugto. 7-point lead para sa Alaska Milk. Kila hot start. Kami po ibabalik para sa ikalawang yugto right after these reminders. Little Jeans of the PBA. Kahapon po, ayan po ang ating talaan dito sa larong ito. Kahapon nagkaroon po ng dalawang laro sa San Fernando, Pampanga. Nagwagi ang Formula Shell or rather ang San Miguel Beer laban sa Formula Shell at ang isang game natin.
Well, nanalo yung Santa Lucia
laban
over
sa Mobiline.
Mobiline.
At kami po ay hindi ka nga napadalo doon. At nagkaroon din kami ng konting kasiyahan din sa naman sa Clark, dun sa zone, sa Clark Economic Zone, sa Mimosa. At pinapasa naman natin lahat ng mga taong ikang tumatangkilik ng PBA doon. Samantala, itong larong ito, si Noli Locsin mukhang nagalit after his 2-point performance in the first quarter. Kinito, he gets a good roll here after this strong move to the basket.
Eto, that's what you call splitting double team. Para soft yata yung double team ni Merwin Castelo. And using brute force, Noli Locsin getting the 2 points, meron pa siyang bonus. At hindi na nakuha yung kanyang bonus. I have been in between San Fernando. Yes, very enthusiastic, very friendly people sa San Fernando. Marami tayong mga kaibigan na taga San Fernando. They were all there watching the game. Very exciting game sa Santa Lucia. Nanalo sa Mobilan by only 2 points.
Yes.
At yung San Miguel Beer naman ay pinali ng Formula Shell.
Sinaot. Si Val David, by the way, is now in the game At natapik niya yung bola, tumama ang huli sa kamay ni Johnny Abarientos according to referee Garferio. By the way, pumasok na rin sa panig naman ng Alaska Milk yung kanilang second unit, si Dwight Lago at saka si Roel Gomez. Maliit na unit ito para kay
Yes,
Coach
it's a
Timcon.
rather small unit, especially when you're playing Gomez at saka si Abarientos. But I think ang plano naman ni Coach Timcon is to use the razzle-dazzle type of defense. So when you have a small unit, that means you have a speedier lineup and you can play much better on double teaming when you have a quicker lineup.
Well, itong quickness ni Val David, ipinakita niya dito laban kay Abarientos. And this will be a very interesting matchup, itong Abarientos David. Of course, David has been playing well in his last two games. At si Johnny Abarientos, 1996 MVP, will be challenged today.
Well, pressure ito si Val David because hindi siya nag-blow ang buong first match. Cut and play at hindi pumasok sa Benny Cheng.
At si Marlo Aquino, tila nasaktan doon yung kanyang kanang siko, inahawakan niya. Libre si Castelo, patay! Triple D conversion para kay Merwin Castelo, his first 3 points. And the lead of Alaska goes back up to 8 points, 29-21.
Partner, not a good sign that Marlo Aquino is not switching back on defense. Kaya he's feeling the defensive pressure. And a traveling call, one turnover after another for Gordon's Gin.
Ang Ginebra averages 17.7 turnovers, or rather Gordon's Gin, 17.7 turnovers per ball game. Ang Alaska Milk, 18 turnovers kinito, pero dito sa unang yun po, mas marami at napakaraming talagang turnovers itong Gordon's Gin.
Parang firmly in control ito si Johnny Abarientos sa kanyang laro, which is the reason why limitado ang turnovers ng Alaska.
Ganda naman! And a good cut-in play para kay Johnny Abarientos. Gets the basket, may kasama ang foul mula kay JB Gayoso, and this was a tremendous pass kinito sa loob.
Yes, ito si Johnny Abarientos has taken charge here for Alaska. E palagay ko, nasabihin ito ni Coach Timcon that he's got to really step up his game and he has to show the way. But beautiful pass,
Dalawang cut. Yung una, hindi pinasahan ni Coach Minyo. Nung medyo laylay na yung depensa, at naman ito si Johnny Abarientos.
That's what you call very patient and methodical running of a play. Wala sila yung first option, hanap sila ng pangalawang option, but still looking for the cut, still looking for a high percentage shot.
And even Coach Minyo now beginning to learn how to pass very efficiently. Samantala si Marlo Aquino, patuloy ang kanyang problema sa opensa. Another miss from the inside. Castelo, libre na naman. This time, maiksi. Val David ngayon ang may dala. Naghahabol ng 11 puntos. Benny Cheng. And Benny Cheng is on the scoreboard with his first 2 points.
Nice handoff by Val David. Now, he's the type of player who makes things happen. He creates situations. And we're talking about the flash, si Val David.
Siyang na puntos na abante ng Alaska Milk. 9:19 ang nalalabi sa ating second quarter. Abarientos. Coach Vina laban kay Marlo Aquino. Familiar matchup. Nakagawan si Abarientos. Picked up by Benny Cheng. Maki De Hoya ngayon. Big Mac. Binigay kay Flash. David. Pumasok sa loob. Nabitawan. Subalit may foul na itatawag si referee Bernante.
Talagang impact player ito si Flash. Kita natin kanina in the defense, he stripped the ball out of the hands of Johnny Abarientos. Too much dribbling on the part of the Flying A. You do not dribble right in front of a quick player like Val David, who has very, very fast hands.
Foul ay tinawag laban kay Coach Grino. Si Marlo Aquino po patuloy nangangamote only with 2 points in the game. Tala Val David gets his first point. Partner, may tanong dito ang karamihan. Ang sinasabi nila, hindi kaya ang Alaska hindi masyadong gutom? Yung bang mahirap i-motivate yung busog eh?
Alam mo, partner, totoo yan. In fact, we did mention it already earlier, yung hunger factor. Certainly on the side of Gordon's Gin. But in this game, palagay ko it's a matter of just motivating these players. Because Alaska is a team with a lot of pride. So they always rise up to the challenge. Now, meron silang bagong challenge. The challenge of having to win games without a Jeffrey Carrasco. And as we mentioned, they are bringing in 5 new faces, including Boyet Fernandez, who still has to play a game for Alaska. So, palagay it's a matter of time. Alam natin, slow starting team ito. But once Alaska's engine is back in high gear, anything can happen. Eto, something happened to Roel Gomez, charging.
Offensive foul ang itinawag laban kay Roel Gomez at si Coach Timcon. Bagamat nabante ang kanyang kupunan ng 7, patuloy na iniisip ano ba ang mga pangyayari dito. Yan po ang mga numero ng unang yugto. Kinito.
turnovers. 7 turnovers for
Grabe.
Gordon Chin. Nagdagdagan pa nga yata yan here in the second period.
Another turnover.
For Alaska. Yes, another turnover. Palagay ko double figures na turnovers ang Gordon Chin sa laro ito.
As we mentioned, their average about 18 turnovers per game. Abarientos, nilusutan si David and showing why he is the MVP ng PBA.
Sabi ni Johnny Barrientos, panghari sa point guard.
Jambong ang bante ng Alaska Milk, 34-25. 8 and 13 ang nalalabi sa ating second quarter. David. Pass sa loob. Yung inject combination. Aquino, turn around. Gets the basket.
Aquino looking for the foul. No foul given. Despite the double team powering his way. And what made that play possible was he was able to inch his way closer to the basket. But he took a second pass to Marlo Aquino inside. The first pass, he couldn't get a shot.
Offensive foul na naman. This time, laban kay Potswinyo.
Yes,
And that will be
moving it.
number 3 now on Potswinyo.
Tamang tawag yon. He did move his body to ward away David, who was trying to follow Johnny Barrientos. Ito, panurin natin. Yun.
Yun. May konting ika nga kalapit ng baywang. 7-point ball game. 34-27, 7:43 in the second quarter. This is only our first game, mga kaibigan. And another PBA doubleheader dito sa All-Filipino Cup PBA Sunday. Benny Cheng, lumusot. Offensive foul this time sa kabilang dako. Si David. David naman. LB number 1. Although bulagta ito si Benny Cheng. Yung kanyang kakampi. May kasalanan. And now Kevin Ramas checking in. Papalitan si Potswinyo. Bong Hawkins papasok din po. Papalitan naman si Roel Gomez. At si Jojo Lastimosa checking in para naman kay Johnny Abarientos. So balasa ito ng lineup. Very unusual vibes ang pinapasok ni Coach Tim
So
Conti
yan,
dito.
but again, Coach Tim Conti still relying on 3 quick and relatively small men to pair with 2 big men. And his 2 big men are Ramas and Hawkins taking the outside side. Wala!
Another offensive rebound. Lago! Dwight Lago, isang transfer mula sa Pepsi, ay nagpakita ng kanyang unang 2 puntos. He has been very silent para dito sa Alaska Milk. Outside shot, Gayoso, triple V!
Yan ang hinahanap kay JB Gayoso. Yung bang offense from the outside when you least expect it. And alam natin na si JB is a very explosive type of player. He either hurts you or doesn't hurt you.
Oo.
It's black and white player ito si JB Gayoso.
Walang gray dito.
Oo, either he does a lot of positive things or he can hurt you with a lot of negative things.
Basta he will hurt you.
Basta he will do something on the court. Ano?
Samantala si Wilmer Ong will now check in para kay Marlo Aquino. Marlo Aquino last year led the league in minutes. Almost 41 minutes per game. At ngayon si Wilmer Ong papasok sa kanya. Samantala si
Always
Noli
coming
Locsin
off
also
a
checking in.
2-game absence, you know. He was hurt previously. He missed sat out the last 2 games of Gordon Jin. Pero si Ong had a very solid exhibition season.
Positive ang contributions ito sa Gordon's team. Gordon's mga kaibigan has 15 points from the 3-point range. 5 puntos na sila ngayong araw na to. Nakakalapit na ang palamang tayo ng laro nito. Gayoso, 1 second sa shot clock. Mauubusan na ng oras. Let's see if that will count. No, it does not count, sabi ng mga referee.
Came too late.
24-second violation laban sa Gordon's Gin at si Sonny Jaworski not happy with that.
Partner, ito ang sakit ng Gordon Chin, that when they are feeling the defensive pressure, particularly on the double team, they are not quick to rotate the ball. Kung minsan, pinapwerso nila yung kanilang tira, wala namang scoring opportunity. We'll talk about that when we come back from this time out.
Club Romance.
Pag nga malamyo amin sa ating mga kaibigan dyan po sa bandang norte. Ito po ang laro ng Alaska Milk at ng Gordon's Gin sa kasalukuyang abante ng 8 puntos. Ang Alaska Milk na nakapula doon sa mga may TV set ng black and white yung darker shade ng uniforme. Samantala si Dwight Lago already with 4 points coming off the bench here.
And another 2 points off the turnover of Gordon Chin.
Oo.
Yung pinag-uusapan natin kanina before the timeout, yung slow rotation ng bola. Once nagkakaroon ng double team sa ilalim ng Gordon's Gym, no? I think hindi na siguro slow rotation ng bola, kundi slow rotation ng tao. Because you have to help your teammate who is double team by coming close to him so that he can hand off the pass.
Well, right now, ang Gordon's Gin nagpapakita ng konting pasyensya sa kanilang opensa. Finito, good outside shot mula kay Noli Locsin to cut down the lead ng Alaska to 8 points. Baseline move, Lastimosa. Whirling, wala. Rebound, napulot ni Maki De Hoya.
Ito, bibilisan ang laro ni Val David. Oh, pero hindi na kaya, no?
Hindi niya kaya,
Sa depensa ng Alaska. Solid. Quickly set up.
Diyan kilala itong si Coach Steve Bon sa depensa niya. Libre si Vilmarong, jump shot. Hindi niya force yan.
Partner, mabilis ang rotation ng bola that time of the double team ng Locsin, no? But they put the hands on a player who is not used to scoring from medium range, si Vilmarong.
Oo. Gayoso nearly picked off that pass. At ngayon si Gayoso, or rather si Vince Hison will check in para kay Maki De Hoya. So sumasabay itong si Sonny Jaworski sa bilis. Look at this crowd, mga kaibigan. And we welcome you all dito sa Cuneta Astrodome sa Pasay City po. Another huge crowd on hand para dito sa big game, Alaska Milk laban sa Gordon's Gin Boards.
Partner, miscommunication. And the reason was, Val David turned his back on the offensive player and nag-sliding si Bong Hockins na hindi niya nakita.
Val David. Sumabit si Lastimosa. And that'll mean 2 free throws. Val David, Lastimosa will pick up his second personal foul. 4th team foul ng Alaska Milk.
Well, ang sinasabi ni Coach Tim Cone at saka si Lastimosa was Val David stuck out his foot, which made that contact possible. But referee will stand by his decision and calling the foul on Lastimosa. Aquino, hardly a factor in this game.
Itong dalawang to kanina nagkainitan. Val David, his numbers so far impressive. Last year he already had impressive numbers. He ranked 10th in steals, 8th in assist to turnover ratio, 9th in assists in the league in his rookie year.
Tremendous performance by Val David. And Marlo Arriba, bumalik na naman.
Nakuha ni David ang kanyang dalawang free throw upang tapusin ang abante ng Alaska sa 8. 42-34. Under 4 minutes remaining dito sa ating second quarter. Lastimosa, naluskan si Gayosa. Finger roll! And Lastimosa making Gayoso pay dearly dun sa kanyang depensa.
Nice curl move by Lastimosa. Ito, panurin natin. Easily moving away from JB Gayoso. Kakainin niyang buhay yung defense ng JB Gayoso. No?
Nagmamalaki ng Cagayan de Oro. Jojo Lastimosa now is 10 points.
And they like that matchup, which is the reason why they set up that play for Jojo Lastimosa. Easily taking on JB Gayoso in that burst of speed.
Ayan, nakita natin si President Tennessee. Alaska Milk, hindi kampiyan sa labas ni JB Gayoso at napabayaan na lamang ng Alaska Milk kumulong palabas. Samantala si Johnny Abarientos will check back in. Tinutang si Merwin Castello who did his job in his stint on the floor. Castello scored 3 points in the second quarter.
Now yung awesome threesome ng Alaska on the floor at the same time. We're talking of Lastimosa, Abarientos, and Hawkins.
Nakapaghinga niya. Ramas, hindi mahawakan ng bola. Nilabas nila si Abarientos. 3-point shot!
Yun ang masakit. Yun ang masakit sa Gordon's Gin. Gordon's trying to play tough defense, denying an opportunity for Dwight Lago to score inside, moving the ball outside, and finding a wide open Abarientos.
At 14 na po ang abante ng Alaska Milk Season. Throws off a screen. Wala. Rebound. Locked in. At may loose ball foul na itatawag. Lawan kay, let's see, Noli Locsin. At si Locsin nagbibigyan ng kanyang ikatlong personal foul. It's a 14-point ball game. Natawag ng timeout ang Alaska Milk.
Alcohol, the official rubbing alcohol of the PBA. Partner natin sa kalusugan.
14 po ang abante ng Alaska Milk with only 2:57 remaining in the second quarter. At ang Gordon's Gin, kinito very out of sync sa kanilang game. Hindi lamang opensa, pati depensa nila nawawala dito sa larong ito.
Well, first of all, Gordon is not really known for its tough defense.
Yes.
It's an offense-minded team, offense-oriented. And I think alam niya ni Coach Dave Gold, which is the reason why they tighten up their defense para mabulabog ang offensive formation ng Gordon team. And so far, so good, no? We've seen Mario Aquino bottled up. Si Noli Locsin has not been able to consistently score from the inside.
Yes.
And yung mga turnovers ng Gordon's Gym have been transformed repeatedly into points on the other end by Alaska.
Masakit yun.
Ay, oo. Points of turnovers.
Nasa penalty na po ang Gordon's Gym. Dagdag pa sa problema nila. Abarientos binigay pa kay Bong Hawkins the extra pass. And there have been traveling charge against Bong Hawkins.
Pass a little too late by Johnny Abarientos. Pero maganda sana yung formation ng triangle na naman doon. Ha?
Oo.
Yun nga lang, kulang sa spacing. And the pass of Johnny Abarientos came a little bit too late. Kaya nung nakuha ni Bong Hawkins yung bola, napachak-chak siya.
Sumabog yung triangulo.
Oh.
Si Pidoring. Balik na po si Pidoring sa laro. Masyadong maigsi yung tira ni Maki Di Hoya and they're really playing flat here, Pinito.
Well, they're being forced to take a lot of shots from the outside.
Pidoring had a big first quarter, 9 points at si Abarientos calling a 20-second timeout. At iniinda niya yung kanyang kaliwang paa.
Injury timeout.
Injury timeout
They
pa
will
to.
be given 30 seconds.
Alright, injury timeout ang tinawag ni Johnny A.
Oh, partner, just a point to the injury timeout. Yung injury timeout is a privilege given to our team. And you can call one injury timeout per half. And if you don't call an injury timeout in the second half, and it goes into an overtime, it can carry over kung hindi mo tinawag sa regulation. So, it is even more valuable than a 20-second
Dahil 20
timeout.
seconds.
Yes.
Ah.
And this is something that has been in the rules of the PBA for many, many years. But I think it's only this season where the San Miguel coaching staff has realized that it can take advantage of this. Kanya, I see a new trend developing. Marami din siguro tayong natututunan sa mga contributions ng San Miguel coaching staff.
48-34 mga kaibigan ang abante ng Alaska Milk. 14 na puntos ang inahabol ng Gordon since si Brian Punsalan ay babalik sa laro. He started out this game para kay Coach Tim Bone. Alaska showing the sharpness it had. Oh, offensive foul na naman. This time, itinawag laban kay Bong Hawkins. Oh my God, ngayon ng mga referees dun sa offensive foul na yan, Pinito. That has been consistently called in this first half at least.
Well, I think Alaska is much better when they're moving the ball rather than trying to play in isolation. Especially in that situation, hindi naman talaga isolated with the despite the fact that there was defensive pressure on him. But yes, you're right, no? And the referees are doing a very, very good job in tightening the calls. Makita natin, there was a near explosive altercation between Hawkins, si Castelo at si Noli Locsin. So, I'm sure the referees will not want something similar to happen again. They want to make sure that in control sila ng ball game. Good move on the part of the referees.
Both teams now in the penalty after that foul ni Kevin Ramas. Unang foul yan ni Ramas. A minute and 43 ang nalalabis sa ating second quarter. Guido Harencio had a hot hand ng unang ito pero nanlapit na to. Locsin 3-point shot. Maiksi na naman. And they have not scored in quite a while now, Pinito.
Yes. Alam mo, magandang ginagawa ng Alaska yung double teaming Mario Aquino. They're using Brian Punsalan, who's managed Maki De Hoya, to double off hit. And so they are taking a very good gamble in allowing De Hoya, who's not known to be a scorer, the open shot off the double team.
Samantala may foul doon sa pagpihit ni Bong Hawkins. Mid-season will pick up the foul. They are in the penalty. So bibigyan ng dalawang free throws si Bong Hawkins. Let's take this opportunity again upang pasalamatan ang lahat po ng nanood ng games natin yesterday sa San Fernando, Pampanga. It was a very successful affair. And of course, yung aming pong pagdalo naman dyan sa Clark Air Base. Sa ngalan po ng buong vintage PBA panel at kasama ng aming chairman si Mr. Bobong Velez. Salamat po. Papasalamatan na rin natin dito si Mr. Velez. At he was a gracious host sa ating konting bakasyon kahapon.
Thank you very much, Mr. Velez, for sharing his time.
Yes, he was with us. Sama ng kanyang anak si Nainay. Samantala si Noli Locsin pinanggayong sa partay, tumira. Mintis pero may foul na itinawag laban sa Alaska Milk. This will go against Bong Hawkins. No, Brian Punsalan. Number 2.
Marami din mga PBA bigwigs came to watch the game in San Fernando. I saw Mr. Troy Cavanco
Yes.
of the Mobile lineup. Mr. Pino Galang of San Miguel Beer was also there to lend moral support to his team.
And speaking of those games, yan po ang ating isi-feature. Yung highlights ng dalawang out-of-town games natin, Mobiline laban sa Santa Lucia, San Miguel laban sa Formula Shell. Sa ating halftime, kasama na rin ang isang interview with San Miguel Beer head coach Ron Jacobs sa ating Adidas halftime report. Yan po ay huwag niyong kalilimutan. Hindi makakalimutan yan ni Kinito. Of course, meron pang halftime analysis si Kinito, kaya hindi niya makakalimutan yung ating half. Si Willie kagad napapakutin. 13 puntos po ang abante ng Alaska Milk. Under a minute remaining dito sa ating second quarter. Laban kay Arencio. Mas maliit si Arencio pero hindi magbibigay sa bal. Huli si Bong Hawkins ni Marlo Aquino. Noli Locsin ngayon. Siya pa rin nagdadala. Tuloy-tuloy. Ipinas na labas. Season. Tumapak sa linya. Patay!
And that was not a three-point shot. Tama yung tawag. Bailadesima was on top of that play. Alam mo, partner, that block of Marlo Aquino certainly woke the crowd up.
Oo.
And very knowledgeable ang Filipino fans. Marami nga nagsasabi, the scores have been down in the PBA and they're describing it as ugly ball. And they're saying the fans are not excited anymore. I beg to disagree, ano? With good defense, you can excite the fans as much as a slam dunk on offense.
Yes, correct yan.
And the fans are now screaming, they're clapping when they see a nice double team and they pick off a pass off the double team trap. And when they see a nice block, as what we saw here, no? Marlo Aquino blocking that shot of Bong Hawkins, it draws the same reaction as a slam dunk.
At tumapalakpak din ng Gordon's Gin fans kapag tinatawagan ng offensive foul si Jojo Lastimosa. Pangatlong foul na yan. Ito Arencio.
Kick out situation.
Jack shot. Wala. Rebound. Hizon. Follow up. Wala pa rin. At maubusan na ng oras ang Gordon's Gin. Subalit abante pa rin po ang Alaska Milk ng 11 puntos at the half. Our score, Alaska 48, Gordon's Gin 37. Kagaya po nung nabanggit namin sa ating Adidas halftime report, ang highlight ng Gin, 11-point lead for the Milkmen. At si Sonny Jaworski has now checked into the ball game. Unang pagpasok ng playing coach ng Gordon's Gin. Vince Hizon, umiyak sa labas. Jaworski, wala.
Brian Punsalan doubling off Robert Jaworski. And yan ang ginagamit ni Coach Pinto na basic weapon to stop Marlo Aquino. The double team, and that they're using the man, the defensive player of probably the worst scorer on the other team. Aquino finally getting the 2 points in transition.
6 na puntos si Marlo Aquino, 2 puntos kada quarter so far. Ang kanyang performance way below his average dito sa All Filipino Cup. Samantala, Bong Hawkins getting a triple D. And Alaska continues to hum sa kanilang opensa. Aquino, back-to-back baskets para kay Marlo.
And taking it from the outside. That time his back was not to the basket, facing the basket, taking the jump shot, using the glass.
53-41 ang ating pong score. 12 ang abante ng Alaska Milk.
Partner leading the charge here for Alaska, Johnny Abarientos with 16 points in the first half. Si Jaworski yata tatawagan ng foul.
Loose ball foul. Well, ang nakatapatan ni Sonny Jaworski, itong si Poch Vino, who's almost 4 to 5 inches taller than him. Samantala, yan po si Val David has not had a particularly good ball game. Only 4 points lahat nagmula sa free throws. Ang Alaska starting out this quarter with the same lineup na nagpasimula nitong larong ito. We've had 3 deadlocks so far. Ang huli po ay 14. Samantala, Bong Hawkins challenges Aquino. May foul na tinawag sa pagpasok ni Bong Hawkins.
And a good pick set up by Brian Punsalan, allowing Bong Hawkins to move straight into the hoop.
Meron tayong injury update, Kinitos, kay Johnny Argentos at yan po ay kay Anthony Santay. Anthony?
Okay, thank you very much, Noli. Ang sabi ng doktor kanina, dito ka lang ka Johnny Abarentos during the halftime break. Ang sabi niya, he suffered a first-degree sprain. Makakalaro siya ngayon, nakikita nyo. He's on the floor. But, sabi nila, during the course of this particular game, makikita niya kung lalala itong sakit na to. And he might have to be pulled out. That's all from here. Let's go back to you.
Salamat, Anthony. Yan po si Johnny Abarientos. He continues to play despite that slight sprain. Bong Hawkins, on the other hand, continues to struggle from the line. 3 misses already from the free throw line. He makes the second one on this trip. At abante po ng 13 ang Alaska Milk.
Robert Jaworski has 2 long-range bombers on the court for Gordon's Gin, si Hizon at saka si Kido Horecio.
Parang mabagal ang galaw nitong Gordon.
Yes.
Nasa, kumbaga, LP to ng araw. 33 more than 45. Mintis na naman yung tira ng Sammy Jaworski.
Actually, Brian Punsalan is giving Jaworski the shot. That's 2 attempts now for the Big J.
Drop pass ni Lastimosa, tumama sa paa ni Brian Ponsalan. A turnover laban sa Alaska Milk. It's still a 13-point ball game. Tandaan po natin ang Gordon's Gin protecting a 3-game winning streak. Samantala ang Alaska trying to come off a 2-game losing streak as well. Carenzo, triple B, offline.
Good boxing out by Alaska. Hindi nakapasok ito si Marlo Aquino for the possible offensive rebound.
Labing isang rebound na ito si Bong Hawkins, 10 coming off the defensive glass in addition to his 10 points. Lastimosa on the other has 13 markers. Abarrietos, fall away, makes it. Another offensive rebound by Pochriño this time. Nakita natin sa stat sheet yan natin kinito na abante ang Alaska dyan. Doon sa
Rebound department, yeah.
Oo.
Parang kulang sa intensity yung Gordon's Gin so far, ha?
Oo.
Although, itong Gordon's Gin, in a split second can explode. You've seen that in the game against Pop Cola. They were down by 10 in the fourth period. Sila pananalo by 14 in the end.
Tatawagan ng illegal defense ang Alaska Milk. Si Coach Tim Coe naghahanap ng kanyang sunod-sunod. Ikasyam na sunod na pagpasok sa kampyonato. Kinito, no? That is going to be some kind of a record.
That's true. That's a tremendous achievement. He has 8 consecutive finals
Yes.
appearances. That was the coach Tim Cohen, and bringing Alaska to 4 straight championships, counting the third conference of 1995.
15 seconds sa shot clock ng Gordon's Gin. Harencio, triple V sa corner. Yes! Dito Harencio, pang-apat na triple V. Lahat ng puntos niya nagmula sa 3-point area. 12 points in the ball game. At natapyas ang abante ng Alaska sa 10. 54-44. Hawkins, hinamon si Locsin. Inilabas kay Uino. Lastimosa. He takes a jumper. Oh, it goes out! May kasama pang foul and Jojo Lastimosa is on fire.
Here's a rare 4-point play opportunity for Giorgio Lastimosa on the foul by Hizon. Panurin po natin muli. A little too late on the part of Hizon to try to stop that basket. Yun, pumasok.
Ano mo, sinasagot ng Alaska, kinito ang bawat itapon ng Gordon's Gin ngayong
Yan.
hapon na to.
And more.
And more. Lastimosa already with 16 points. Ang average po niya in his first 3 games, only 13.7. But tonight, or this afternoon, nagpapakitang gilas itong si Jojo Lastimosa and make that 17 markers for Jolas.
Partner, what is at stake here is the pride of Alaska. At alam nila that Gordon is undefeated. If Alaska wants to get back in the groove, sabi nila, what better way than to beat the only undefeated team in the league. But the reason why Alaska is playing, I think, with a lot more motivation and intensity than Gordon's Gin at this stage.
Traveling ang tinawag itong Ponsalan. Good call. Medyo nag-alinlangan itong si Brian Ponsalan. Tuloy, tinawagan na naman siya ng traveling.
Well, mabilis bumaba yung depensa ng Gordon's Gin, and that's the reason why Brian Punsalan did not have easy access to the basket. Ito na naman ang double team ni Brian.
3-point shot na naman. Harencio Mintis. Rebound nakuha ni Bong Hawkins. Siya na rin nagdadala ng bola. Lob pass. Uy, binato na lamang ni Pochriño. Nakakuha pa ng foul mula kay Vince Cesar. At yan ang tinatawag na swerte.
Yes, and smart play on the part of Pochriño. Well, hindi bumaba si Robert Jaworski
Yan naman
in
to.
this fast break
Oh,
play.
sige na lang.
Tinapo na lang ni Pochriño using the left hand, and he was able to get the foul. That's 2 straight fouls coming from Vince Hizon.
At saka act of shooting yun, kinito.
Oh.
So, bibigyan ng 2 free throw itong si Pochriño. So again,
Paano naman niya ititira yung tira na yun?
Okay, wala
Parang
na.
hook shot. Hindi mo maintindihan.
sa likod na ng basket dadaan yun eh.
That's a
ng
mark of
backcourt.
a smart player, a very intelligent player, and I'm sure this is something that Coach Tim Cohn has drilled into the minds of his players, no? Yung mindset ng players niya. But they always have to be alert, take advantage of every possible opportunity sa loob ng court.
Tandaan natin itong Alaska, halos hinakot lahat ng awards last year. Pochino was the most improved player of 1996, and he makes both free throws. And don't look now, it's now a 16-point lead para sa Alaska Met. Illegal D na naman ang itatawag lamang sa Alaska at yan ay pangalawang violation. That'll mean a free throw now para sa Gordon's Gin.
Good adjustment in the offense of Gordon's Gin. Kanina nakita natin, they kept on swinging the ball over to Marlo Aquino at the low post. This time it was the other post, si Noli Locsin. Kanya nagulat na lang ito si Brian Punzalan. I think he's used to doubling Marlo Aquino. Aquino sliding outside, and the reason why the illegal defense was called because yung tao ni Marlo Aquino was straddling. Aquino was outside, and that's why there was a defensive violation.
Locsin, short stab and gets the basket. So a 3-point play on the reverse. At ang abante po ng Alaska natapyas sa 13, 60-47, 7:15 remaining in the third quarter. Punsalan, laban kay Jaworski, turn around. Natapik kay Jaworski at tatawagan ng foul si Sunny Jaworski.
Punzalan, I think, now has the green light to attack the defense of Robert Jaworski. Big height advantage of Punzalan over Jaworski.
Diyan si Dudut, sabi niya, siguro pwede sabihin, Dad, ako na lang.
Hindi, sabi ni Dudut, Dad, hindi naman talaga foul yun eh.
Oo. Yun ang tinuro mo sa akin eh. Brian Punsalan. Isang transferee mula sa Pure Foods. Had a blossoming career as an amateur, pero dito sa PBA, medyo antala kanyang isang pagsikat sapagkat
Ito si Brian Punzalan, I think, is a role player.
Oo.
And he might be able to blossom here with Alaska because this is a team that is used to giving and defining roles for its players.
Punsalan on the break. Oh, masyadong malakas. Masyadong kinabahan. Locsin, pinihitan si Bong Hawkins, and Noli Locsin now beginning to get his scoring act together. At ang abante po ng Alaska Met down to 11 points, 6-44 ang nalalapis sa ating third quarter. Hawkins, no good. Rebound. Marlo Aquino at si Sunny Jaworski, at subalit tumawag ng foul si referee Bernarte mula sa labas.
Partner, pinagalitan ni Tim Cole si Bong Hawkins for taking that outside shot. Sabi niya, ano ba? You know, under fire, under attack from Gordon's Gin, you need to be patient to break the momentum. You do not take a shot like that from the outside. You need to get ball rotation and the best possible shot.
Well, that's not also the shot you want. Naghahabol ka.
Eh kung nagalit si Tim Cole, palagay ko, nagalit si Jaworski din.
Naglalaro siya eh.
Too many outside shots.
Locsin ngayon. Forward pass. Harenzo, laban kay Lastimosa. Umangat. Jumper off the glass. Wala. Tabik ni Locsin. And it's handled last. Bola ng Alaska Milk. Pero ang action dito, nagpipick up na Kinito. Mukhang yung dalawang kupunan, bahagyang nang nagigising, especially ang Gordon's Gin.
Mukha nga, yes, the lead has been tapered down to just 11 points. Very manageable ito. There's still a whole quarter left to go at 5:56 in this period.
Alam natin ang finishing kick ng dalawang kupunan na to. Hindi ka nga ubusan ito hanggang kaduluduluhan. Lastimosa, 7 seconds sa kanilang shot clock. Tumingin sa taas. 5 seconds sa kanilang shot clock. Inilabas si Hawkins. Bail out shot. Makes it. Humihingi ng foul si Coach Tim Cone. No foul called. 24-second violation laban sa Alaska Milk.
Partner, I think Johnny Abarientos is hurting. He's not taking control of this game. We'll talk about that when we come back from this timeout.
Alcohol, the official rubbing alcohol of the PBA. Partner natin sa kalusugan.
Tuloy po namin kayong binabate mula sa Cuneta Astrodome. Mga kaibigan ng PBA, si Congressman Ramon Bagating, si dating Solicitor General at ngayon ay Ambassador Raul Goco, Congressman Gary Teves, isang talagang kaibigan ng PBA. And of course, Commissioner June Bernardino on Commissioner's row, watching this ball game among the many people who have come over to the Cuneta Astrodome to watch this game today.
A steal underneath the basket for Alaska na naman.
Oo. Mabiling. Turn after turnover dito, Quinito, so far.
Ayan. Both teams exchanging turnover.
Si Bong Hawkins, parang nauunahan ngayon siya ng konting init ng ulo. Kanina, tinawagan siya ng technical, tapos nagkaroon siya ng konting...
Well, parang nawawala ang first ng Alaska. As Johnny Jaworski is getting a big triple.
Johnny Jaworski finally getting his first 3 points of the All-Filipino Conference 1997 edition. Ilang edition na yan, si Johnny Jaworski. Ang wala pa na 1975. Bong Hawkins, turnaround. Laban kay Noli Locsin. Nilabas ni Ponzarante, Coach Tim Cone. Hindi ako naka-uniforme, sabi niya.
Punsalan with the passing error. Johnny Barrientos, as I mentioned just before the timeout, doesn't seem to be too much involved in the offense of Alaska. I'm wondering why. It's probably not because of the defense. Maybe because he's hurting. Okay, he's got control of the basketball. Panoorin natin kasi he doesn't have that burst of speed.
Ayaw, tumutok eh.
And we did hear that report from Anthony Stecanina saying that he's suffering a slight sprain.
Johnny Jaworski, tatawagan ng kanyang second or third personal foul. Yan naman ay 16 foul na ang Gordon's Gin at bibigyan ng free throw. Uy, ayun na. Ayun na, Kinito, ang bagong promo natin ngayon.
Aha.
The Hyundai PBA Winning Drives. May malaking cash prizes every month, mga kaibigan, and the Hyundai Elantra Sedan will be given away on the Grand Draw. So, watch every PBA game and spot the Hyundai Elantra Sedan or Hyundai Coupe on your screen. Write it down on the entry form found in Hyundai print ad and drop them in drop boxes at any Italcar dealer. For more details, just see your posters and print ads.
Lasting also with the first free throw. Kanina binanggit natin si Johnny Barrientos. Parang limitado ang kanyang galaw, no? And sure enough, in that previous play of Alaska, usually he would just go towards the basket and attack the defense. Pero hindi.
Saka hindi
Tumigil
naman-
niya sarili niya.
Hindi naman kabilisan ito si Arenzo, so kaya niyang unahan to. Jaworski laban kay Castelo. Cayoso, pinasa sa loob. Triple team si Marlo Aquino manages to put it up. Subalit, makakakuha siya ng Consuelo. He will pick up a foul from Merwin Castelo. Second foul laban kay Castelo.
Well, very clearly, Alaska denying Marlo Aquino any opportunity to score easy baskets. They'll want him to earn his point at the stripe.
Marlo Aquino had a tremendous year last year, almost an MVP year. Alam mo, he was first in blocks, first in rebounds, first in minutes, third in points. He almost had the same numbers ni Benji Paras back in 1989. Subalit ika nga itong si Marlo Aquino. Naapektuhan of course nung hindi pagpasok sa kampyonato. But again, Marlo Aquino's potential ika nga is perhaps so vast na mahirap
yan.
ispilengin.
And he's getting better and better. But only 2 rebounds in this game. Limitado siya
Oo.
in that department.
Just an 8-point lead. Oy, nagpakita si Barrientos na ayos pa ako, at least yung mga kamay ko.
Oh, but you see him hobbling.
Oo,
when he's,
iika-ika.
Oo eh. He's not really running as smoothly as he usually does.
Ang tanong dito ngayon, is that good for him? Ika nga, is it worth it?
Yes.
Samantala,
Maybe he
outside
should take a
shot.
rest. Pero it only goes to prove that Coach Tim Cone wants this.
Oo.
Talagang gusto nilang manalo, no?
Tandaan natin, si Johnny Barrientos, hindi na kasing galing ang kanyang back up ngayon dahil wala pa si Boyet Fernandez. Jun Reyes is no longer with the team. Samantala, Hawkins gets away, bangs bodies, wala, offensive rebound, wala pa rin. Lastimosa tip-in, and Alaska dominating the offensive glass.
Yes, despite the presence of Marlo Aquino.
Uy, nakatanga yung depensa. Locsin almost got the basket. Pero si Bong Hawkins tatawagan ng foul on that up and under move ni Noli Locsin. Third foul of the Hawk.
Well, kulang sa tulong sa rebounding itong Gordon's Gin, and I think the reason is magandang box out tactics ng Alaska, no? But here is also where they are hurting because of the absence of EJ File sa
Oo.
rebounding nila, no? And I mentioned earlier, somehow what compensates for the lack of presence of the EJ File is the offense of Noli Locsin. But in this game, Locsin still has not really been able to hit his stride.
Dito lang siya nagpapasimula sa third quarter. Kinito, 14 points. He has 7 points here in this quarter.
Yes. ang
Although
average
nung first
nilo-
half, medyo mababa.
Oo, at saka si Locsin, alam natin, he's averaging over 20 points.
Oo.
21 in the first game, 21 in the second, and 26 in his third game here in the All Filipino.
Noli Locsin, pinagmamalaki ng Bacolod City. Mga Noli, yan talaga mga ano.
Magagaling, ano ba?
Malalaki lang. 8 puntos po ang abante ng Alaska Milk. Under 3 minutes to play in the third quarter. Gordon's Gin already in the penalty ang Alaska. Tatatlong team foul pa lamang. Lastimosa, siyang nakakakalas sa kanyang opensa. Ponchino, short jumper, masyadong malakas. Rebound, Paige Vicayoso. Naagaw ni Castelo and a great hustle move mula kay Mervin Castelo. Jaworski, lob pass. Marlo Aquino right in the middle. Wala. Offensive rebound sa kanya pa rin. Kumangat, may foul. And he will get 2 free throws. And the foul will be charged against.
Okay, hindi nga na ipapasok ni Marlo Aquino yung kanyang mga layup, but he is now getting scoring opportunities inside the paint.
Si Merwin Castelo ang tinawagan ng foul. Third foul yan ni Castelo. May timeout ang Alaska Milk. Ito sa Bae, Alamba, Santa Rosa, at sa buong lalawigan ng Laguna. Yan po si Johnny Abarientos na kanina'y iika-ika pero patuloy ang kanyang laro. Samantalang ang Gordon's Gin naman ay nag-ahabol. Ang pinakamalaking kalamangan ng Alaska Milk was at 16. Subalit ngayon natakis na ng bahagya. The lead is down to 9. Make that, no, just to 9. And that's split charities ni Marlo Aquino.
But an opportunity here for Gordon Gin to try to dominate the boards. Now, this is a relatively short lineup the coach team there has. Wala si Hawkins, wala si Ramas, wala si Puchalan. Pero nakagalaman si Johnny Lastimosa for the offense. At sinong bumagsak?
Benny Cheng.
Looks like a bad fall. He's holding on to his head. Masama ang pagsak ni Benny Cheng. It might have hit the back of his head. Let's hope he's okay.
Ito si Benny Cheng, yung kanyang career has also been marred by a lot of injuries, Kinita. And we hope this is not one of those that may sideline him for a while. So,
Both his eyes are closed. He
Oo.
must be suffering concussion siguro ito.
masakit yan. Tingnan natin kung ating nakuha yan doon sa huling natin. Ha? Pero Benny Cheng has been playing good defense. Tingnan natin ang ating slow-mo dito, Kinita. Drive ni Lastimosa. And Benny Cheng hitting his
Uy.
head hard on the
Yes.
hardwood.
There was a whiplash.
Sakit.
Yung whiplash motion. Ito, tingnan natin from a different angle.
Medyo nawalan siya ng balance, eh, oh.
Yes.
Yun, umabit pa yung paa.
Benny Cheng,
Dito hindi masyadong
head
kita.
hitting the hardwood.
This is a good sign na nakaupo na. Ngayon titindig na itong si Benny Cheng. That's a good sign.
Yes, and his eyes are open.
Para sa dito sa dating King Cardinal ng Mapua. Benny Cheng getting a round of applause. Playing defense kina Lastimosa pero talagang grabe lang ang opensa ni Jojo Lastimosa ngayong araw.
Yes.
Already with 23 points si Jolas.
Highly motivated yung ika nga, tatlong alas ng Alaska.
Oo.
Highly motivated. Si Barrientos, si Hawkins, saka si Lastimosa. Although Hawkins, on and off ang kanyang laro, steady naman, no? Ang performance ni Lastimosa at saka ni Barrientos.
Talk about Hawkins, he has 10 points. Si Abarientos, 18. Lastimosa with 23. Pero ito si Noli Locsin, hindi naman mapapaiwan. 17 markers for the pack.
Beautiful move by Noli Locsin. He's known for that.
Jam ang abante ng Alaska Milk. A minute and 45. Gordon still trying to keep this lead manageable. May foul.
Too tight the defense of Pido Horencio.
Nasa penalty na po ang Gordon Skin kanina pa. Second foul ni Pito Harencio and Lastimosa will go to the free throw line. Malaking respeto nila kay Jolas.
Oo. Ayan, sa pinapakita naman ni Jolas sa laro ito. Kita mo naman, no? He
Oo.
certainly stepped up his offense.
Roger Lastimosa also had a tremendous year last year. Came back to the mythical 5 si Lastimosa. Average 15 points last year.
Ito yung sinasabi natin,
Oo.
tatlong alas. Ha, maganda yan ha.
Maganda talaga si Billy.
Lastimosa with 24, Barrientos with 18. Hawkins, somewhat the weak link in that triangle, no, with only 10 points.
Alibasa ito si Willie galing ng Mimosa eh. Pero alas ang nakikita. 72-61 po ang ating score. 11 ang abante at may foul. Illegal D.
Now, three-guard offense being played here by Coach Robert Jaworski. Pinaling niya muli si Bal David. Pino Horencio is there and Jaworski himself. So we're going to try to combine forces with Locsin and Aquino.
Alam mo partner, bagamat si Marlo Aquino may 11 puntos and he has scored 7 here in the third quarter, parang kulang pa yung kanilang paggamit kay Marlo. And how do you expect Sunny to change this in the fourth quarter?
Well, sa tingin ko, no, they've got to get more movement out of the players. Because kung stagnant ang attention nila, mahihirapan ito si Marlo Aquino to be able to get scoring position. That time, sometimes it also takes Robert Jaworski to find the opening for Marlo Aquino. Aquino just has to be more aggressive in going strong to the hoop.
Tingnan mo tong pasan to. Amazing yung passing mula kay Jaworski. Just off the fingertips ni Merwin Castelo. Right at the hands. Wala nang galaw-galaw, walang dribble.
Yes.
Right at the basket na si
Yung
Marlo.
tinatawag natin na drop step ni Marlo Aquino. No? But in that situation, he was already in scoring. Lumabas ang bola for Alaska and Gordons will keep.
This is just an 8-point lead, mga kaibigan. Alam ni Coach Kim Cohn that no lead is safe. Lalong-lalo na kapag ang kaharap mo ay Gordon's Gin.
There's just 1:28 left here in the third period.
Oy, bad pass. That time, malayo sa basket si Marlo. Narito si Dwight Lago. Hindi pwede sa harapan ni Marlo. Sabi niya, atras ako. Hintayin natin yung mga kampe. Napitawan ni Coach Minyo. Nilabas ni Lago. Abarientos takes the jumper. Triple B attempt and conversion para kay Johnny Abarientos. And all of a sudden, that lead goes back up to 11.
And that was a 5-on-4 situation. Even na naman sa depensa si Coach Jaworski.
Jaworski babawiin sa press. Masyado malakas. Rebound ni Lago. Kagad ibinigay kay Johnny Abarientos. Under a minute to play. Bumaba na yung abante sa 8 and they had an opportunity to cut it down to 6. But another turnover cost them. Lastimosa getting another foul at si Bal David. O si Jaworski. Yes, Bal David will pick up the foul. Yan ay second foul, or rather third foul ni Bal David.
Sergio Lastimosa, heady play, attacking the defense of Bal David. Nakakalamang ito si Sergio Lastimosa in terms of height over Bal David.
Grabe ang performance ni Lastimosa po ngayong araw na to. Already with 26 points. At alam ni Fred Utengso kung gaano ka hirap magtrabaho itong si Jojo Lastimosa. Great work ethic for this superstar from Cagayan de Oro.
90% shooting from the stripe in this game. He's all fired up.
Next, both free throws. At si Benny Cheng, mga kaibigan, patuloy na ina-ice pack yung likod ng kanyang ulo. That must really be painful at this stage. Locsin pumipwesto sa poste. Nilabas ni Jaworski. Nilulubayan ni Castelo yung depensa niya. Jaworski, sasaksak. Nilabas ulit kay Arenzo. Isang fake. Umatras sa triple Z area. Kumalog. Rebound. Napulot ni Jaworski. Jaworski goes inside. And it will go Alaska's way.
And Jaworski claiming that he was hacked on the way to the hoop. No call from the referees.
5-on-4 na naman to, partner. Si Sunny Jaworski ay nasa
Still in the backcourt. Mahinintay siya ng Alaska.
Oo, sabi
Well,
nila.
of course, Alaska realizing it's last shot time here in the third period.
7 seconds remaining. Abarientos, Nilsman. Does not get the drop. Offensive rebound. Kevin Ramos. And Alaska going to town dito sa last minute of this third quarter. At naibalik nilang kalamang ang 15 behind the 27 points ni Jojo Lastimosa. We'll be back for the Foyo Kinito na injury update dun sa nangyari kay Benny Cheng na ating mapapakinggan mamaya. Ayun, kasama na ngayon, may report si Anthony Santay. Anthony?
Okay, thank you very much, Nolly. Alam mo yung nangyari kanina kay Benny Cheng, he fell down very hard. He hit himself in the back of the head. Talagang masakit yun. Sabi ng mga doctor, not really a concussion, but he might be out for this particular ball game kasi nahihilo pa rin siya. In fact, yun nasabi sa akin ng mga trainers. Let's go back to you, Nolly.
Well, magandang balita yan para sa mga Benny Cheng fans na hindi naman concussion ang nangyari kay Benny Cheng. But of course, kailangan siya ng kanyang kupunan that he will no longer be able to play in the ball game. Naghahabol po ng 15 puntos na kalamangan ang Gordon's Gin. Ayan po ang ating scoring by quarters. And again, Alaska doing it in the third.
Yes, but in the first and second quarters, nakita natin ang pwersa ng depensa ng Alaska, limiting Gordon's Gin to less than 20 points in those two periods.
Alam mo, may nababanggit ka kanina sinito na ginawang adjustment ni Coach Lincoln dun sa end of the third.
Well, yes, natatandaan natin that back in the late going of the third period, naka-drop step si Marlo Aquino on the defense of Coach Nino. And tinanong mo nga, no, how do you get Marlo Aquino in better scoring position? I think one reason why he has not been able to score so well in this game is because they're pushing him away from his comfort zone. But in that occasion, naka-score si Marlo Aquino on that drop step. Nakita ni Coach Tinko na dapat siguro someone like Kevin Ramas, who has a wider body than Coach Nino, can move Marlo Aquino away from his comfort zone. Kaya nakita natin yung substitution ni Coach Tinko. Napakagandang adjustment yun. And it only goes to show you that Coach Tinko very clearly on top of the situation.
Hindi lamang napakagandang adjustment, napakabilis na adjustment na ginawa niya.
Oh. Well, adjustment din ni Marlo Aquino. Sabi niya, baka hindi ako maka-score sa loob.
Kalabas naman.
Sa labas na
Oo.
ang tira niya over Kevin Ramas.
15 puntos na po si Marlo Aquino. At ang abante ng Alaska, 13 puntos. We have just began the fourth quarter. Ang cricket team ni Val David, ahabulin ni Mervin Castelo. Isin ang kamay, tapal ni Mervin Castelo. Noli Locsin getting the loose ball. Subalit may foul lang itinawag si referee Garferio laban kay Mervin Castelo.
Carter, what made that play happen was the good defense that Gordon played on Castelo. And that allowed the faulty pass coming from Castelo and the steal by Val David.
Tandaan natin si Val David, halos itong ika-4 na yugto. Lagi ang kanyang pagmamay-ari. Kinito, he always explodes at the fourth quarter. During the fourth quarter, he has not been able to do a lot of scoring here. Only 4 points so far. Lahat nagmula sa free throw.
Yes, at wala pang triple V ito si Val David. The last two games, 3 out of 5 yata ang triple V niya, no?
Yo,
In the last two games of Golden Gin.
he makes 1 out of 2. At ang abante po ng Alaska, an even dozen points. 79-67. Another steal nearly completed by Marlo Aquino. Ngayon si Bong Hawkins papasok po. Papaltan si Jojo Lastimosa. The bigger man for a shooter. Lastimosa scoring 27 noong tumbong ball game 16 in the third quarter.
And a good sub there by Coach Tinko. Sabi ko siguro, medyo packed out na ito si Jojo Lastimosa. Scoring 27 points. He want to preserve him for the later portion of the game.
Abarientos, yes! Kabisado na ni Johnny yung galano. Yun yung call away niya. Jason, isa pang napakatahimik dito sa larong ito. Valdavi tumira ng press. Yun ang sinahanap mo, Kinito o Mintis? Ay, aalay ko sa'yo.
Only red shirts that time for the defensive rebound.
Merwin Castelo, na-fakean si Vinchison, pero probably hindi nagreklamo si Coach Tim Condon.
Oo. Kita yun.
Alam mo, just checking the scorers of ng Gordon's Gin. Si Vince Season Ginito only with 6 points. Si Val David, 4 puntos pa lamang ang ginagawa. Or rather, 5 puntos pa lamang. Samadalang, of course, si Pido Renzo at si Marlo Aquino, kasama na si Noli Locsin, ang nagbibigay buhay sa kanilang offense. Ito si Marlo Aquino, that's clutch. Wala. Nearing the 9.5 years.
Heartbreaking thing there by Marlo Aquino. Almost close range. Kala there was still a body between him and the basket. Yun yung ginagawa ng Alaska. They're making sure that there is a body that separates Aquino from the hoop.
Isolation play na naman. This time, hindi kumuha ng puntos. Hizon sa ilalim! Vince Hizon getting his 8th point of the ball game. And that should inject some life into this offense ng Gordon.
Still a big 12-point lead. But Gordon needs to tighten his defense.
Ako naman. Uy, pero may tinitira ni Abarientos. Medyo binibi niya yung tira.
Lucky break for Gordon.
Val David, binigyan ng screen ni Marlo Aquino. Kumusot, nabitawan ng bola pero may foul na tinawag. It will be against Johnny Abarientos. Ito yung huling play na nangyari, Ginito. And look at Vince Season flying high in the air. Sa ilalim, ni-reverse off the glass.
Nagulat na lang si Bong Hawkins as Vince Season breezed by him for that reverse.
Kaya kinagigiliwan niya si Vince Season. Hindi lamang ika nga magandang lalaki na maraming fans. Magaling pang gumalaw, ano?
Buong loob ni Vince Season sa loob ng court.
Samantala si Val David nakuha yung kanyang unang free throw. Lead is down to 11. Alaska has not relinquished this lead since they last fell behind 11-8 in first quarter.
All the points of Valdavid coming from the free throw line.
10-point ball game. Abante pa rin po ang Alaska. And now the crowd coming into play. 10 seconds of shot clock ng Alaska. Mutik na magawad pero may foul na tinawag si referee Bay Ledesma.
On Valdavid.
At yan ay pang-apat na ni Valdavid. Unang team foul ng Gordon's Gin. Again, tandaan natin po ang Gordon's Gin trying to extend its franchise best start in a season. Samantala, tapik palabas, Noni Locsin, 16 seconds ang nalalabi sa shot clock ng Alaska Milk.
Big advantage in rebounding. 41-24 in favor of Alaska.
Bong Hawkins has been mainly responsible for that. Oh, pasa na agaw na naman. Ben Season, sa likod ang pasa. Still picks it up. Aquino, one fake, goes up, gets the basket. And it's down to an 8-point lead. And listen to this crowd. Nang nagabol na po ang Gordon's Gin, tawag ng timeout ang Alaska Milk. Sabi ni Doc Alaksan, welcome back Philippines. Ito yung huling fast break ng Gordon's Gin Kinito at sila ay bumabalik na sa larong ito.
Beautiful passing play. Marlo Aquino, good patience. Hinintay niya muna ito si Marlo Castelo.
Merwin Castelo.
Merwin Castelo.
Pwede na rin Marlo Castelo.
Hinintay si Marlo. Tapos si Merwin bumaba muna bago siya umangat. Nice patient move. And, you know, that goes to prove the maturity nito ni Marlo Aquino. No? He's just in his second year and he can only get better. He repeatedly say it time and again.
Bagamat malaki siya hindi niya hinamon yung jumping ability nito si Merwin Castelo. 81-73 mga kaibigan ng ating score. The biggest lead was at 16. So this lead has been sliced to half now. 8 minutes and 10 seconds remaining in the final quarter. Hawkins. Matagal na rin nananahimik na si Bong Hawkins. Ang Alaska po tumawag ng huling timeout. Trying to stave off this rally. Hawkins drops it off. Oh! Sa foul si Kevin Ramas. Pero may foul na itinawag si referee Bernardo sa ilalim. Davy Gayoso will pick up his second foul, or rather third foul. At yun ay second team foul ng Gordon's Gin.
Yun ang teamwork ng Alaska. You see Bong Hawkins trying to wheel his way inside tapos ikaroon ng double team. And Ramos beating his man and driving to the hoop in getting the pass from Bong Hawkins.
Napapag-usapan natin yung franchise best start ng Gordon's Gin. Ito naman pong Alaska Milk has not lost 3 games in a row since the first round of the 1996 All-Filipino Conference. So napakatagal na yan. Dalawang sunod na mintis mula kay Kevin Ramas na nanatili ang score 81-73, 8-point lead para sa Milkmen. Aquino, nasa likod niya si Abarientos. Pinamon si Ramos, pasok na naman.
Well, ginagamit ni Marlo Aquino ang kanyang mobility against Kevin Ramas.
Just a 6-point lead ganito.
Utaka ng labanan. He realizes that he can't muscle in on Kevin Ramas. So Marlo Aquino using a little bit of his dribbling ability to move around the slower Kevin Ramas.
Tinawagan ng pang-limang foul si Valdavid, and that's going to be a problem para kay San Jaworski. Si Valdavid ang nag-orchestrate ngayon ng kanilang ofensa. Just a 6-point lead here. Lastimosa, inaatrasan si Gayoso. Umangat, wala, rebound, tatapik. Apot na kay Kevin Ramas. Umangat na naman, masyado malakas. Hawkins over the back ni Davy Gayoso, and Bong Hawkins showing his power. And the lead is back to 8.
A lot of attempts by Alaska. Yan ang tinatawag natin, tenacity ng Alaska.
Oo.
Never giving up. Well, alam natin itong Gordon Gin, never say tight team din ito.
Exacto. Alam mo, paminsan-minsan, dun mo hinahanap yung presence ni EJ Filo. Traveling si Vince Wison. Pagdating ko sa ganong klaseng rebounding, Pinito.
Meron silang dalawang malaki. Well, si Locsin ay heavily concentrated now in playing defense and Hawkins. At si JB Gayoso using the ball game to try to play tough defense on Giorgio Lastimosa.
Yes. Samantala si Tito Horenzo bumalik na po para si Val David who has picked up his fifth foul. And there's a foul away from the ball. Tinawag ni referee Camperio. Noli Locsin ang tatawagan ng foul. Pang-apat na rin yan ni Noli Locsin. Pang-apat na team foul naman ng Gordon Chin.
And still a lot of time left dito sa fourth period. 6:53.
Hawkins, nasa poste, pumasok sa gitna. Libre si Lago, jump shot. That will not go. Rebound ni Hizon. Eagle stop. Nilabas ni Arenzo. Gayoso, nasa tres. Shot, titira ng tres. Patay! Second triple B ni JB Gayoso. At ang abante ng Alaska, 5 puntos na lamang. 83-78, 6:20 remaining. Final quarter.
But tremendous confidence on the part of JB Gayoso taking that shot under pressure.
Pinitin ni Lago. Dahil nandun si Marlo Aquino. Tumatakbo ngayon ng mga nakaputi. Hizon. Sabi niya, pinasok niya kay Marlo Aquino at may foul. Tulak. Laban kay Bong Hawkins.
That's the 13th foul for Alaska. Very aggressive ngayon ang offense ng Gordon. As you see, ba?
San Juan
Mayor
ngayon.
Jinggoy.
Oo. Siyempre, Gordon's Gin fans yan. Narito ngayon si Marlo Aquino. Inilabas kay JB Gayoso. Tres na naman. Makes it distance. 5-point ball game. Si Bong Hawkins, by the way, picked up his fourth foul. Less than halfway in this final quarter. Lastimosa, libre. Yes! Dondo Lastimosa with 29 points.
Just a slight opening. Nakalimutan ni JB Gayoso to shadow Giorgio Lastimosa that opportunity.
Balik sa pito ang abante ng Alaska Milk. Lastimosa having a tremendous ball game here. Aquino, fall away jumper, lumabas. Tapik ni Locsin, wala pa rin. Siya pa rin may hawak, umangat. And he will pick up another foul. Grabe yung explosion going to the basket ni Noli Locsin, partner.
Yes, nakakuha pa siya ng foul on the way up. Power play ni Noli Locsin. Panuuri natin. Nasa likod si Noli Locsin.
And look at the position.
Yes, he moved in.
And the tank over the hawk. Possible three-point play, and the Gordon's Gin fans are whooping it up here.
Well, dire situation for Hawkins with 5 personal fouls. Just a foul away from disqualification.
Subalit nananatili si Bong Hawkins sa loob ng laro. Just a 4-point lead. Separating both teams now. Lastimosa, pumipwesto. 9 seconds sa kanilang shot clock. He has the hot hand. He takes the ball away.
Yes!
Lastimosa, 31 points in the ball game.
How can you stop Giorgio Lastimosa from making that shot? Turn around. And JB Gayoso's defense in his face.
Reason, blocking foul ang itawag laban ni Kevin Ramos. That will be team foul number 5 sa Alaska at si Kevin Ramos tatanggap ng kanyang second personal foul. Pero ngayon nakikita na natin yung true mettle nitong dalawang komponente nito.
Well, under pressure.
Boys, under pressure to. Gayoso has played a big game thus far para sa Gordon's Gin Boars. He takes another one. This time he's out. Rebound, Marlo Aquino. Goes the other way! Marlo Aquino with a slam dunk.
Nagkamali si Johnny Abarrientos trying to double team. Marlo Aquino's right side went to the left, again using mobility against Kevin Ramos. Well, binanggit natin sa junction, Rino, Ramos from Rino, almost to steal.
4 seconds.
4 seconds. Pressure shot. The flying A, delivering the goods.
Kung kaya mo, kaya ko rin. Ayan ang sinasabi ng Alaska sa kasalukuyan. And they maintain that 6-point lead. The barrier has been 4 points to 3:37 remaining.
Almost out of Alaska. Tinira ni
Barrientos.
yes.
Samantala may illegal D na tinawag. Illegal defense. Kevin Ramas ang tinawagan ng illegal defense. Panoorin natin muna yung galaw ni Marlo Aquino Quinito. Take us through this play.
Okay, Barrientos trying to steal from the right side, curling to the left, using mobility to move away from Kevin Ramos. Tinaktak! The skyscraper.
Sabi niya, matagal ko nang gustong gawin yun. At ngayon, nagawa ko na rin sa wakas. Samantala si Jim Season gives them one more point. It's down to 5.
Adjustment in defense now. Wingo coming in for Kevin Ramos. At nakita ni Coach Tinko, medyo hinihingal natin si Kevin Ramos, not able to keep up with Marlo Aquino in defense.
Pero grabe ang sagutan dito. Ito yung nag-aaway magkasama. Oh, nakakalaban na ito sa mag-weak pass. Sama niya ito puso. Full speed. It's the foul. Shooting foul. Laban kay JV Gayoso. That will give Gordon's Gin 5 team fouls. At pang-apat na yan ni JV Gayoso.
Partner, a perfect way to play the team. The trap and obstructing the vision of the man with the ball and giving him very few options on where to pass. And Alaska realizing kung saan pupunta yung bola after the man was trapped in a double team by Gordon Kick. And a napakagandang defensive movement and rotation on the part of Alaska. Alam nila kung saan pupunta yung bola off the double team. In-anticipate nila, nakuha ni Johnny Barrientos the ball from the steal.
Ayan, nakita natin ang dalawang mukha ng dalawang coaches. Coach Johnny Jaworski. Ang ang kanyang perfect record. Coach Tim Cohn. Nagtatangkang bumalik sa winning column. Ito po ang abanto ng Alaska Milk. They have withstood every attempt na makabalik ng Gordon Gin. Mintis na naman sa labas si JV Gayoso. That's about his third straight miss from the Triple V area, Quinito.
Yes, too many chances being taken. Although it was an open shot.
Under 3 minutes remaining. Hawkins. Nasa harapan niya si Nori Locsin. Turn around. That's short. Rebound Lago. Binalik kay Hawkins. Good pass mula kay Dwight Lago. At ang Gordon Gin muling nanganganib. They're down by 9. Pinatatawag ng timeout.
Still fit. Club Roman, jeans and shirts. Club Roman.
Magandang gabi po, Pilipinas, sa ating mga kaibigan sa Davao, sa Bacolod, sa Cebu, at sa Cagayan de Oro. Abante po ang Alaska Milk ng 7 na puntos, 93-84, 2.5 remaining. Ito sa final quarter. Locsin gets inside and gets the basket. He is down slightly to 7 here, Quinito, pero dahan-dahan nang bumababa ang ating orasan.
A nice pass coming from Marlo Aquino on the inside, looking for the open man. And there was a triple team on him. At that time, he didn't have to pass too far out because there was a man coming towards him to get the pass. Yan ang importante dun sa double team. You go to the man who is beleaguered para matulungan mo yung teammate mo.
Lastimosa.
Take pa, he will get the foul.
Talagang sinabit si JB Gayoso dun sa tirang yun. Lastimosa having a monster ball game.
Yes.
31 points para kay Jolas. And he has not scored this many points
In over 2 years
in
yata.
over 2 years. Yeah.
Balita natin. Right. Alaska also has not lost 3 in a row since back in the first conference last season in
Yes.
April when they lost 4 straight. Since that time, hindi na more than 2 straight losses itong Alaska. Hindi sila nakatigin ng 3 straight losses.
Samantala ang Gordon Gin naman has not won 4 straight times since August 4 last year, a period spanning the eliminations in the semis of the Commissioner's Cup. Last 2 minutes is brought to you by new premium dry London Gin, just right for you. Abante po ang Alaska Milk. Aquino sumabit. Si Poch Suino does not get the basket, but he will go to the line. Siyam na puntos ang abante ng Alaska Milk. Ipinasok na si Val David Quinito, but obviously yung kakulangan ng outside shot ni Val David, and even Vince Season for that matter, ay nakakasakit sa Gordon Gin.
Very tentative. Saka, Sa tingin ko, alam na ni Coach Tim ko that Gordons is a very, well, potentially a very explosive team from the perimeter, especially from 3-point range. And if you notice, sina-challenge nila yung 3-point shooting ng Gordons. Ha? So hindi nila pinapabayaan. Although ito si JV Reynoso was able to throw up a couple of 3-point attempts. By and large, hindi nila pinapabayaan ito sina Val David, sina Fido Horenzo to take easy 3-pointers here in the fourth period.
Dalawang supply si Marlo Aquino sa free throw line. Hawkins, from a pass ni Lastimosa, wala. Rebound, pinapit ni Locsin. Kapitan, parang volleyball. And a good move on the part of the tank. Pinatalbog niya sa hita ni Poch Winyo. Yan na lang po, nalalabing oras. 90 seconds and a 9-point lead. Kaya pa ba? Tingnan natin.
And in this situation, that Peter Gordon Jim will go to in terms of options, they're looking for possibly a 3-pointer.
Bison, pasa na naman. At na-anticipate and there's gonna be a foul. Both teams in the penalty. At si Val David ang tatawagan ng kanyang ika-anim na personal foul. And that could be it, Benito.
I think so.
With a minute and 16.
Too many turnovers, too many errors. Val David, fouled out yata si Val.
Yes, foul out.
Okay.
Si Val David, the foul out after scoring 7 points. Pero take this, all of his points came from the free throw line. Walang field goal shot na pumasok si Val David ngayong araw na to.
And for Alaska, what a way to come back. Binamagit natin that Alaska has been a little bit lackluster in defense in the first 3 games. Pero ngayon, sa kanilang fourth outing, pinakita nila that yung kanilang defensive intensity nandyan pa rin maski na wala na si Jeffrey Carriazo.
Tandaan niyo po mga kaibigan, ito ay ating unang handog pa lamang ngayong araw na ito. PBA Sunday ang ating dalawang laro. Tatapok ang Papola laban sa Purefoods. And then after that, kung ngayon niyo po, ang nakasisindak na galaw ng WBC Super Flyweight Champion Jerry Peñalosa ang kanyang dinurog si Hiroshi Kawashima ng Japan sa Great Eastern Showdown on our sports special sa Sunday's Big Showdown. Since he's at na ngayon, and it's too late. Ika nga, 11 po ang abante ng Alaska Milk. Alaska will cruise to its second victory in 4 games, snapping a 2-game losing streak.
Yes, that means wala na pong natitira undefeated team sa liga na to. Competition has been very, very tight and keen dito sa mga Pilipino.
Mangyayari nito, Gordon King will drop to 3-1. Tatablan na ngayon ng Santa Lucia at the top of the team standing sa Alaska naman. Nagiging even ang kanyang record. Tatablan naman nila ang Mobiline at ang San Miguel Beer in 3rd to 5th spot.
And Johnny Abarientos bumanat na naman from the outside. This season, coming in with the layup, strong drive. But all over but the shouting at this stage.
At the end of this ball game, kami po ay hihirang ng isang player of the game at ang isang Hardy Flex team at the board. So ang tabayanan niyo po yan. Yan po ang ating talaan. 11 puntos Alaska from a sorry 68 points loss. Dapat sa Purefoods coming back with a big offensive game. Pinito 99 so far ang kanilang score na dito.
Yes. And holding, of course, Gordon's team to 88 points. He's not
Tira ng
taking
huli.
it from outside.
Papasok yan. Ika-count nila yan. So ang ating final score, 99-91. Nagwagi ang Alaska Milk. Coach Tim Cohn very happy with his victory. Obviously, it